guys, so I got my PlannerKate haul in, or out. It's got my July monthlies in it. And so first you always get the PlannerKate business card, and I use these to label my binders and anything that has my PlannerKate items inside of it. Next we have our little 3-section check boxes, the single colored quarter boxes, appointment labels, icons with some quarter boxes, and then more icons. So when the new planner released, PlannerKate listened to us and put out some add-ons for the monthly kits. And so I'm really excited to see what these look like. But at first I'm going to start off with my other things that I ordered. So I ordered some more of the PlannerKate doodles. This is the grocery shopping, the no spins. See if you can kind of see her, how cute she is. And then the travel, because we have a lot of travel coming up, so I thought these would be really cute. Also, in the new Erin Condren layout, I got this to kind of cover that random bottom dot grid. And I like her monthly goals better than how Erin did them. But I really like the new scripts and the little strips. Those are really cute. And so I ordered that for the July and August colors. Okay, so this was a really big order. And so I'm just going to kind of show you what everything was. I think this was stuff that I've just been working on, possibly ordering, and then got my July kits as well. So Erin released, not Erin, sorry. Kate released a bunch of new scripts. So this one is the one in meeting. These go with the new planner as well. You can't tell what they are, but there's just white hexagons to layer these over. Like you layer these over the white hexagons. And then I got some no schools, since my son will have no school days coming up this year. Some clean out the car little icons. My husband has picked up playing golf, so I got some golf icons to kind of note that. My nephew has started tournament ball, and so I got some baseball practice and game day icons. I got these when I go to the bank for work. I thought those are really cute. We have a couple beach trips coming up, so I got these, and they just say beach day on them and some really pretty beach colors. I'm going to go ahead and pull my kits to show to you in just a little bit. You can probably hear my husband and my son. These say family time because generally every Sunday my husband's family, we have family day, so I thought that would be really cute for those. These are just scripts that I thought would be really cute layered inside of these. This is my monthly kit. I'm going to start taking my son to some library events. So I picked up this really cute library. These gold ones. This is the way that I lay out my notes pages in my the new Erin Condren. Some Playdate. Really cute. some YouTube film edit and uploads, and a couple different sizes and layouts. Family dinner, again for those Sunday nights at my in-laws. I got another one of the holiday scripts because mine is almost out. These Zoo Day stickers because we have a couple trips planned to the zoo this summer, so I thought these would be really cute. There's even the little ones down here. That's another kit, and that's another kit. Okay, so I'm going to bring in the kits and kind of talk to you about them. I'm having technical difficulties with my fingers. Okay, so this is my monthly kit that I chose. I chose the very patriotic one because of course, if there's a holiday in a month, I want the one that kind of matches the holiday. So, and this is kit 148. So I got sheet F and G. And then I also picked up add-on for 148 double A. And this is just the longer note strip. You can see it there. Okay, as well, I picked up kit 150 and the box covers for those. I thought that was really pretty. This one is called something about blueberries. Summer berries, I think. So there's that kit. You can see there it is. This one I picked up for the week of 4th of July. And I picked up a lot of the add-ons for this one as well. So this is that kit. This is kit 148. And then I picked up 148 AD and 148R. This is a sidebar. I thought it'd be really pretty to try. Just to start using that sidebar piece. This one I picked up for the week that we go to the beach. Because we will be spending an extended weekend at the beach. So I picked up that kit, and this is kit 152A. And this is for the last week in July before we go back to school in August. And this is 155A. I think this is called Lily Flowers, I believe. It's very Lily Pulitzer inspired. Now, these are, because I got the vertical. Oh, I also picked up that washi because I thought it was beautiful and had to have it. And that is washi from kit 148. And this is AJ. So I also picked up the coordinating vertical little box covers. I don't know if I'll end up doing this for August as well, but I figured I'd try for July and see if I like them. So I picked up one for each kit. So we got 148, 152, 150, and then 155. And see, this is the one for 155. So you can kind of see how it's kind of all gonna go and look. So I'm really excited about these. Really excited about this order. It was a very large one. Oh, and then I also picked up, sorry, these are from 148, and these are just the individual date covers. Like I said, I'm gonna try and see if I like having all these extras, and if I get full kits again, I might order a few more of these little add-ons because they're only $1.50 for the add-ons. So I figured I would try them and see if I like it, and if I don't, it's okay. I only spent it on 1 week in 1 month's order, so we're just gonna try it and go from there. If I don't like it, I don't like it. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this, and I will sit here and organize stickers unless you would like to see that. And if you would like to see me do a sticker organization, then just leave a comment below so you can kind of see how I organize my stickers and how everything is laid out on my little desk, because I have a desk now that has all of my little YouTube and just, why did I order these? I didn't know. Maybe I've got a kit running around somewhere without your extra boxes. Oh, it goes with this one. Look. See, I ordered the entire pretty much kit for this one, minus the extra appointment labels, because we really don't have anything going on that week, but I needed all the things. But I hope you guys, like I said, have enjoyed this, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.